Hello everyone, this is your weather on Fly Outlook and discussion for Sunday, April 13, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 1 to 3. For today, at mid-levels, a ridge will move through the Great Lakes and lower to mid-Mississippi Valley, as a shortwave trough moves through the northern high plains. At the surface, a low will move into the mid-Missouri Valley as a cold front advances southeastward through the Central Plains. Head of the front, an axis of low-level moisture will be in place from the Ozarks northward into Minnesota. Surface dew points are expected to be in the 40s over the upper Mississippi Valley, where weak destabilization is expected. Along the northern part of the instability axis, isolated thunderstorm development will be possible during the day in parts of south-central Minnesota and western Wisconsin. In this area, instability will be elevated and mid-level lapse rates will be steep, suggesting that small hail will be possible with the stronger cells. Elsewhere, isolated to scattered thunderstorms, subsevere in nature, are expected this afternoon from parts of eastern Utah eastward into the central high plains. For Monday, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms in the upper Ohio Valley and Central Appalachians. A shortwave trough will further amplify over the upper Great Lakes towards the Ontario and Quebec border, supporting gradual deepening of a surface cyclone from 995 to 990 millibars. In its wake, a separate shortwave impulse and intense mid-level jetlet will dive southeast across the northern Great Plains towards the lower Ohio Valley. A surface cold front will arc south across the lower Great Lakes and then southwestward through the mid-south by late afternoon Monday. A few supercells seem plausible in this setup, a couple of which may become long-tracked. These appear most probable across the southeast Ohio to northern West Virginia vicinity, where tornado potential should be maximized during the early evening. Otherwise, a mix of large hail and damaging wind swaths are expected. East of the higher terrain in Maryland and northern Virginia, remnant steep low-level lapse rates may support isolated damaging gusts and marginal hail, before convection wanes and becomes increasingly elevated Monday night. For Tuesday, across eastern North Carolina, timing of surface cold front passage late morning to afternoon remains crucial as to whether thunderstorms can form and intensify over land, before becoming entirely confined off the coast. Guidance has generally been trending towards a slightly faster frontal passage over the past couple days. This suggests the window of opportunity for sustained severe development should be rather limited. Conditionally, strong wind profiles support potential for an organized storm or two around early afternoon. For now, have opted to defer on possible upgrade to a level 1 marginal risk. Isolated thunderstorms will be possible downstream of a low-amplitude shortwave impulse moving northeast from the lower Colorado Valley, and a separate trough off the California coast. Meager buoyancy and weak deep layer shear will minimize severe potential. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.